Well, hey guys, if you're looking for a great way to help maintain water chemical levels and just purity in your pool without using as many chemicals, this is a great option for you. This was sent to me by AQUASTRONG. This is their ionizer, and it's solar powered as well, which is really nice. And so super easy to do. All you're gonna have to do is just put this together. Main thing you're gonna do right here in the middle is you're actually just gonna put the anode down there. You're gonna put the copper piece on, then the metal piece. You wanna make sure those don't touch. Then you're gonna put this little protector on here, and all it does is connect on there with the little nut. So it's really easy to do that. Then you are good to go. You will see a little green light right here to show you that it is powered up. And again, what this is gonna do, all you're gonna do is throw it in your pool. It's gonna help try to regulate your pool chemical levels as well. Just a heads up, this is not gonna do everything. Like, so if you think like, hey, I'm gonna throw this in there, it's gonna regulate everything. No, you're still gonna have to add chemicals and stuff like that to make sure everything's balanced. A couple other features I want to point out on here. It does have a little hole right here. So maybe if your pool only has partial sun, you want to make sure that this is in the sun because it is solar powered. So remember that. Also, it does come with a test strip and then also a little scraper, a brush scraper. So again, if any of this gets discolored or starts messing up, you can scrape it and clean it and get it back going. And it's super easy to do that. One of my favorite parts about this though is all you have to do is just put this in your pool, and then the whole prep work is done. And you're just gonna have to kind of make sure everything is regulated. You're still gonna need to do test strips and stuff like that. I even have a little tester that actually shows me exactly what's going on at all times. So you're gonna need something like that, but this is gonna hopefully help you use less chemicals and keep your pool more on the maintaining level as well. So here's what it looks like in your pool, just sitting here. It is safe to have in your pool and for you to swim as well, which is nice because our kids swim pretty much every day. It does recommend that you keep the levels between 0.2 and 0.5 ppm. If that does get a little off, you will need to add a little bit more chlorine, but you just want to test those again just to make sure nothing gets out of whack, because you want to make sure the chlorine and the copper levels are correct. But overall, it's a really cool and easy way just to help maintain your pool. So a couple reasons I do like this. Number one, it's not as harsh chemicals. Also, it's hopefully going to help you save a little bit of money as well. So you're not going to have to put as much into your pool, chlorine, shock your pool, all kind of stuff like that. Hopefully this is going to help try to regulate it a little bit more. But if you've never bought one of these, just want to let you know that this is not like an end all be all. It's not a perfect thing. It's not going to do great. It does have a large copper pipe, but it's still not going to make sure that everything is done perfectly. You're still going to have to, maintain your pool and regulate your pool as well. So you're going to need that just to make sure whenever you're trying to maintain one of these. The thing I do like about this is you're not going to have to charge it. It is solar powered. I do have some other solar powered items in my pool with their lights that kind of float around, which is nice. I do have my reader over there, which I do have to take out and charge. And then even my dispensers right there for my chlorine tablets as well. They kind of float around and they just kind of actually dispense chlorine as is needed. But I do know that my wife and I are both super excited about this, whether it can help us save money, also be a little bit less harsh with chemicals, help to kind of maintain that a little bit safer ways. Also, it should make your water a little more gentle and not as harsh. A couple things you will need to make sure that you are testing that, because you don't want it to get too imbalanced either way. If it is too imbalanced or one way, have too much iron in your water, it could mess up your hair and a couple other things like that. So you want to make sure you're still testing, and also just kind of see how much it does regulate. It should help because again, it's solar powered, so you don't have to charge it, and it has the nice large copper pipe in there, so it should do a good job. But overall, we'll have to see how well it does. I'll keep you guys updated on that and let y'all know. If you are interested, you can check out this down below. I'll have a link down there. Also, if this video is helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.